When the world decides to be on the edge, we say not.
Hello, 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 hello. Guys,
Hello.
guys, shooting at 11 p.m. is not good for anyone's health, specifically for someone who has just played football. And it's a bit of a tiring situation, but we will take it on the go. Yeah, for someone who enjoys football, which is 90 minutes long, for someone who enjoys basketball, which is 48 minutes long, test match that lasts for 5 days has a different aura altogether. Um, the ups and down across the 5 days is nothing less than a movie script. Uh, it's got all possible emotion that might exist. Uh, with cricket being the hero and Steve Buckner being the villain. Sorry, not Steve Buckner, but a certain someone whose first name starts with R, second surname starts with P, and the middle name is Thomas. Is your middle name? But yeah. Uh, but what I just want to quickly touch upon the love affair of test match, because I think out of three of us, both of you, including Chaudhary, who's not here right now, are guys who get up at 7:30 in the morning. I don't get up, not because I don't love it,
5:30,
but
Five.
bro. 5:30.
sorry, 5:30 it
This
is.
weekend I have to wake up 5.
So 5:30 it is. But what is it with test match,
Ron, you go
Rohan?
first, yeah. Ron, you go first.
Yeah, I think for me, Test is the format to watch and follow. I think what cricket has been referred to as a pure game. It comes to I think Test is the purest format of the game. So I think. And the only reason I think it works is that it gives an opportunity for the team that is not doing well in the first half of the match to make a comeback. I think that is the only thing that makes a test match what it is. And especially in the last, I think, 10 to 12 years, since we've seen results again in test matches. I think last 10 to 15 years, I think the interests across countries is back because most of the test matches are now finishing in 3 to 4 days. So I think there was a period in the middle with flat pitches. We were seeing a lot of no result run matches. So I think that time is gone. I think other than Pakistan, most teams other than in Pakistan, I think most teams traveling anywhere are not able to score more than 300, 350. That is another topic to discuss what's happening with the batsmen across. But I think on the test format, yes, I think the best format of cricket.
I think Rohan has one half of the story, and that's why we relate so much to test matches. As great Harsha Bhogle said, just like in life, test matches always gives you a second chance. So the love for test matches started long back. I think when there were flat pitches, I was perfectly fine because मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि टेस्ट मैच इज वन प्लेस ना, हम जीतते हैं, राइट. हमारे स्पिनर संभाल लेंगे, इंडिया में बाहर देखा जाएगा, बट इंडिया में तो हम जीतेंगे, मतलब चांस ही नहीं ना, मतलब.
चौथे पांचवे तक बस खींच लेना है, उसके बाद
Correct.
निकाल
So
लेंगे.
I have so that comfort and confidence. I think that is where my love for Test matches started. Actually, intrinsically, the thing was very clear, saying that बाकी फॉर्मेट्स में ना थोड़ा सा डामाडोल लगता है. टेस्ट मैचेस इंडिया के अंदर ना मैं खींच लूंगा. आई एम वेरी प्राउड कि मैं खुशी खुशी निकलूंगा. Having said that, I think what also draws me to Test matches is that, yeah, there's a lovely rhythm to test matches, right?
True,
The
true.
bowler, the batsman, there's nice. It feels nice. It looks nice, right? Except for I'm not a big fan of pink ball. If they can change the color, I'll be very happy. But other than that, I honestly feel that there's a lovely rhythm to test matches. I think the true test of any batsman of caliber, I think, and bowlers definitely get tested because starting from as basic as fitness, it starts with that. I honestly feel that it's not easy to play out 5 days at all. It lacks. It talks about patience. What is your biggest virtue? Are you a patient guy who can you fight it out? The difficult part, the lazy part, the slow parts of the day, can you figure? And then last but not the least, I honestly feel that that's the reason why there are very few players who have played test matches more than a decade consistently, and that is what divides the good from the great. And great players have played test matches more than 10 years in a row, and that is what my qualifications are, and hence I love test matches. That is it.
Not
Yeah, and
calling you.
another beautiful part is I think the sessions, how the day is divided into sessions and just playing
Yeah,
out that session and who's winning
correct,
that session,
correct.
playing to tea, playing to lunch. I think that is, it adds to the beauty of the game.
Yeah, completely. अपने भी
You
break
know,
ले सकते हैं.
that's the interesting part. A lot of times, elderlies in the family end up saying, 4 ओवर तो बॉलिंग कराना बहुत आसान है, कभी कराओ
Correct.
10 ओवर
करो 10
लगातार और
ओवर
Yeah.
15 ओवर लगातार.
कराओ कराओ.
फिर समझ में आएगा क्या होता है.
Yeah.
Coming back to what is the episode about, today we plan to talk about Sunil Allen Trophy, also known as Border Gavaskar Trophy. But before we get into the matches, the moments, and the memes, um, let's just talk about India versus Australia. What is it that you guys feel uh, that sort of, to some extent, when it comes to an India versus Australia test match, I think the passion level would be greater than any other team that we sort of compete with. And also would love for you to also touch upon the point. Do you think India versus Australia right now might be bigger than India versus Pakistan? But where is this passion? Where is this rivalry coming from?
So for me again, it goes back to one simple thing. I don't know if I can use that language. ऑस्ट्रेलिया से इतने पेले गए ना बॉस, इतने, right, throughout. And pardon, really pardon my language, but आज today after, so okay, let's take after the 1998 Desert Storm. Okay, I honestly feel that there's a resurgence in Indian cricket against Australia. Okay, वो हुआ, उसके बाद अपना ईडन वाला टेस्ट मैच हुआ. करेक्ट, आई एम लाइक ब्रो, एंड दैट इज व्हेन स्लोली एंड स्टेडली that that belief started coming in. You know what? Australia are not invincibles. Okay, we are there. We are right there in your face to do it. A big thanks to Dada Saurav Ganguly, who made Steve Waugh wait at the toss. I don't know if it's the right true story or not, but he did. And I think that is where my love for the India Australia rivalry started, saying that boss, मैं इतना सह चुका हूँ, 2003 में आ रहा हूँ, बट हर बार वापस आके ना मैं I know that we can fight them. Even when they had the best team, okay, I knew that we had the quality to fight them. The unfortunate part is today I was discussing with a friend saying that यार उस टाइम हमारे पास बैट्समैन हुआ करते थे जो डेढ़ डेढ़ दिन खेल जाते थे. अब हमारे तब बॉलर्स नहीं थे, अब हमारे पास बॉलर है जो डेढ़ डेढ़ दिन बैट्समैन नहीं है हमारे पास. But having said that, that is where I think I think finally it for me, rivalry started when once we started beating them. Otherwise, they were the invincibles. They were the best teams. उस टाइम उसके पहले ये था कि सर आप आए, हमें हराए, आप चले गए, ठीक है. बट उसके बाद आई थिंक slowly and steadily the confidence started building in. So that is for me the love and passion that I have for India Australia. Whenever I see them, I said, बॉस बजा दो इनकी यार, मैंने बहुत सहा है मैंने यार इनको. And I still, I think I'll go back. And one of the most happiest moment was 2011 quarterfinal. Yeah, Yuvraj Singh's cover
Yeah.
drive, and that sitting on, kneeling down on the pitch. Having said that, now when you say India Pakistan, now it depends. Okay, India Pakistan post 2015 or India Pakistan in the 90s. We are talking two different eras of two champion teams, right? Uh,
Yeah, I'm talking about India Pakistan of what we have seen, मतलब majorly. I'm still
right. Of what
saying we
I've,
are.
huh.
Uh, मतलब,
I think no.
you're not that old, Sudeep. Like, it's
I'm saying
there.
of the अच्छा चल of the 90s मतलब let's
हाँ,
take 1992 किरण मोरे का jumping behind the wicket छोड़ दे वो वाला scene. Let's
हाँ,
come to 1996 and Ajay
yeah,
Jadeja
yeah,
Baka Yunus. Yeah, so
yeah.
I know no, nowhere close. Nowhere close. No conversation. In my head, there's no conversation. 2003, Sachin whacking it. No conversation. Toronto Cup at 4:30 in the morning. Dada bowling. No conversation. India Pakistan rivalry for the win. There's no doubt in my head for sure.
Great, and I think it's great of you also to talk about Dada's timing on the ground and off the ground. But yeah, it always helps. Rohan, your POV.
Yeah, I think now India Australia is bigger, and one of the major reasons, actually, two reasons. One, Pakistan is not doing very well in limited overs in the last 7 8 years, and we're not playing test matches. Agar test matches खेल रहे होते, I think there would have been something there between the countries, because conditions are same. Otherwise क्या होता है आजकल, everybody is playing well at home, not playing well outside. So that ways, because the conditions are very similar, strengths are similar, you come into each other's country, you're almost in similar conditions and playing good competitive cricket. But because test matches खेले ही नहीं है, so I don't know, and seeing inconsistency of the team right now, even if we were playing, I think we would have been in a stronger position. So competition wise right now, I think India Australia is bigger than India Pakistan. But of history, as Sudeep said, I think different eras would very difficult to compare different eras. But as of today, I think India Australia is bigger than India Pakistan, because
Okay,
India Pakistan's also now become more friendly. It's not, and most of the times we enter a match saying कि अच्छा जीत जाना चाहिए. It shouldn't be as tough. अगर नहीं भी अच्छा खेलेंगे तो वर्ल्ड कप है, पाकिस्तान will choke at some point or the other. So
I genuinely hope people in power are listening to us and say this, hearing us out that we're talking about us being more friendly. But okay, quick question before I jump into my thought on it. If there was a neutral venue where India and Pakistan test match should happen, which sort of gives a benefit for both the teams, what would that venue be? One venue, both of you.
Joburg, South Africa. I
हाँ,
can't
मैं
wait.
I was about to say South Africa. किसी को नहीं समझ आएगा क्या हो
किसी
रहा
को
है.
नहीं था. It's truly neutral.
Yeah.
I don't think New Zealand is also a bad option though.
As Rohan said, it will be clearly a very friendly environment कि किसी को पल्ले नहीं पड़ने
Yeah.
वाला कि क्या होने वाला
Yeah,
है.
it's
There is
like
every
दोनों जो क्लास में फर्स्ट आता है, सेकंड आता है, दोनों को सिलेबस नहीं बताया है और पहुंच गए एग्जाम
you know
पे.
that will be one rare test match where you have the chance that in 90 in like 130 overs test match can get over with all due respect.
Yeah, my point of view on India Australia, I think as things stands, I don't think there's a bigger rivalry in international cricket as things stand. And I had quickly noted on 3 points that I felt sort of is making them a differentiator. In all honesty, they are the best two teams in the world right now. Uh, Second, they have the best two squads in the world with the right mix of old and new people sort of joining in. Um Good on Australia to sort of continue with McSweeney in the second test match also, because he honestly did not have a good first test match. But I think kudos to the youth setup that both the countries have right now, where there's a consistent conveyor belt of providing young, interesting, technically sound cricketers altogether. Third, I think what both of you also sort of bit of touch upon, ki India has become a country in cricket where they don't want to bow down under the aggression of Australian cricket.
Yeah.
uh, we have to fight back. There's no more we'll take it for this test match and अगले सीरीज में देख लेंगे, जो करना है अभी करो.
Ben Stokes.
Let's 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 do it right now. When comparing with you India versus Pakistan, I think Honestly, it's two different buckets, is how I see it. India versus Pakistan will always be a rivalry that's coming from heart. India versus Australia, I think, has with time become a rivalry that has a combination of both heart and brain. But
It's moving to heart very quickly.
but I think India Australia is in general a fight back series, is how I look at it in any sort of series. And talking about series, let's talk about Border Trophy. Which is your earliest memory which sort of made you latch upon Border Gavaskar Trophy? I find, pardon my bare minimum knowledge, मेरे को लगा था बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी बहुत पहले से चल रहा है, मतलब बचपन से चल रहा है. But for me to just realize that it just started in 1996-97 was the first edition of the series altogether. But which is your earliest memory that got you hooked upon that series?
यार आई थिंक 96-97 तक तो नहीं रजिस्टर हुआ था कि नई सीरीज चालू हुई है या बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी कहते हैं, बट आई थिंक द फर्स्ट ट्रॉफी वेयर द राइवलरी आई थिंक सेटअप वाज 2001 ओनली. आई थिंक ईडन गार्डन्स, एंड बिकॉज ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैड वन द फर्स्ट मैच एंड देयर वाज अ कमबैक इन द मैच एंड कमबैक इन द सीरीज, दैट वाज अ बिग वन बिकॉज losing the first test match, moving into the second, getting a follow on, उस point पे हमारी series जा चुकी थी, and it would have been, I don't think शायद border गावस्कर trophy भी इतना important बनती, but I think 2001 was the point where it came into limelight.
Is there a moment in that series that you sort of very that's going to be engraved in you? I know what the answer will be, but still, is there some moment that you will sort of remember forever?
I think it is Harbhajan Singh.
I have the most random memory. Okay, go on YouTube. Okay, and type Sachin Ganguly Bond. Okay, and there you will see in one of the test matches in 2001 where Dada is going to Sachin and showing this. Okay, and then Tendulkar bowls that over, gets Gilchrist out, and gets
Yeah.
one more person. Okay,
मैं तब
LBW.
मैं तब
ये
डीएवी कॉलेज के
ये
वहाँ डोसा खा रहा था
ये हुआ
कॉफी
टी
हाउस
के
में.
बाद जब विकेट नहीं गिर रहा है. ठीक है, तो दादा ने जाके ऐसे बोला, प्लीज गो एंड टाइप इट, ट्रस्ट मी इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल सीन्स आई हैव सीन. कि दादा ने बोला, तेंदुलकर ने बॉलिंग किया, 2 विकेट ले लिए भाई ओवर में. नथिंग बीट्स इट फॉर मी.
यार
दैट्स
मेरे
इट.
को इस एग्जैक्ट मोमेंट का याद है. आई वाज एट इंडियन कॉफ़ी हाउस होता था डीएवी कॉलेज चंडीगढ़ में. वहाँ 9 रुपए का डोसा मिलता था, सांबर खाना होता था तो 50 पैसे की कटोरी मिलती थी और चटनी चाहिए थी तो 1 रुपए की देता था, तो कुछ 10.5 रुपए का बिल बनता था वहाँ. सो आई रिमेम्बर वहाँ से हम खा के, विकेट मिल नहीं रही थी, वी न्यू सचिन इज बॉलिंग. आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक तब रेडियो या कहीं कुछ चल रहा था. वी वर क्रॉसिंग द बॉयज हॉस्टल, वहां से किसी ने ऊपर से आवाज लगाई थी कि सचिन ने विकेट ले लिया. आई थिंक वी देन सैट, ही टुक अनदर विकेट दैट ओवर.
करेक्ट.
सचिन का विकेट लेना वाज ऑलवेज लाइक कि कुछ तो अलग हो रहा है,
उसके
कुछ
बाद
तो नया है.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन उठता था, लेग स्पिन करा रहा था या ऑफ स्पिन करा रहा था.
And I
The
think
original mystery bowler.
that's exactly where I was coming from.
OG.
Last over of the day, you have
Oh,
to
I
get
know.
Sachin Tendulkar to bowl.
Yeah, bro. Last over. Sorry, I'm going to segue. Last over of the day, I have to bring in Moin Khan's wicket, boss. We can't let go of the conversation of last over the day without talking about Moin Khan's wicket in Multan, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, that was one of the sexiest ball I've ever seen. Multan, I think Multan or Multan in my
हाँ.
yeah. So
भाई मोइन खान का विकेट अगर कोई 5 साल का बच्चा भी ले लेगा ना, जिंदगी में बहुत खुशी मिलेगी. इंसान को चुप बैठाने का बहुत जरूरत था, वो इंसान चुप नहीं बैठ सकता था. ही वाज द प्रोटोटिपिकल ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ जब जीभ लपलपाए तो मोइन खान आए वाला सीन होता था. बट दैट्स हाउ इट यूज्ड टू बी. Talking about my sort of early moment, and again, as I said, I'm too late to this conversation, and I'm feeling like the uncool kid in this test match related conversation among both of you.
same what we felt during football session 8 episodes back.
Um, I'm better. I would like to just
Yeah.
bring it back. I'm
हम
just putting it out
हम
there.
तो हम तो ब्राजील अर्जेंटीना कर रहे थे और कैलकाटा कर रहे
Roberto Carlos.
But I think for me it's going to be the 2007-8 series. यार बड़ा वैसा वाला फील था, मतलब लगान वाली फील थी कि यार कैसे यार पूरी दुनिया हमारे अगेंस्ट कैसे हो सकती है, मतलब क्या बिगाड़ा है हमने यार। मतलब ऐसे कैसे किसी को दिख नहीं रहा कि एज जा रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है कि ऐसे किसी को दिख नहीं रहा है कि प्लम हो गया है कोई। यार इंटरेस्टिंगली जो मैं पढ़ रहा था, आई डिड नॉट नो देन, but supposedly there was also a verbal treaty that was signed between Kumble and Ponting, where it was said कि यार अगर फील्डर ने बोल दिया है कि उसने कैच कर लिया है पूरा बॉल, तो द बैट्समैन विल हैव टू एक्सेप्ट and sort of walk
This memo
and
did not
cut
reach
to
Sunil Gavaskar. Just saying.
cut
Yeah.
that's exactly what I'm saying. Cut to second test match where Ricky Ponting edge करके भी वहीं खड़ा हुआ है। साइमन 70 पे खेलते हुए भी, मतलब आउट होने के बाद भी आउट नहीं दिया जा रहा है। एंड सनी भाई क्लियरली सेड इट इन द कमेंट्री बॉक्स। आई रिमेम्बर ही सेड कि यार अगर वो बैटिंग करते समय उसको ट्रस्ट नहीं किया जा सकता, तो उसको फील्डिंग करते समय कैसे ट्रस्ट कर पाएंगे भाई। मतलब ये तो मतलब वो ट्रीटी एकदम नल एंड वॉइड हो गया।
I
एंड
think
विच
that was
सॉर्ट
a
ऑफ,
Ganguly catch.
yeah, and then that's exactly मतलब everyone is a shock bro, मतलब कुछ तो मतलब but Bhajupa was there to take Ponting's wicket then also, uh, but that test match sort of felt like यार there is something clearly wrong, that people don't want Indian Test match to be, Indian Test team to grow, or Indian Test cricket to grow, where there is foolish and uncalled for decision making was happening, and which sort of, it also shows how cricket has grown in general. And when we are talking about India Australia wala thing, where I think it was second innings of this second Test match where Mitch Marsh decided to walk on a caught behind, if I'm not wrong,
Yeah.
Ashwin.
uh,
Yeah.
on Ashwin. And interestingly, the Sneeko also did not show any disturbance there.
Yeah.
But it batsman knew something has happened कि he decided to
यार
walk.
आई थिंक उसका बैट पैड पे लगा था.
But if I'm not wrong, the only person who was doing that time was Gilchrist,
गिलक्रिस्ट.
Only
Yeah.
who
one.
who
Only one
who
person.
who was the epitome of sort of doing it the right way. But yeah, I think that was the 2007-8 series which sort of made me feel कि भाई support की जरूरत है इंडियन टीम को, क्योंकि अकेले छोड़ देंगे तो ऐसे गंदे गंदे डिसीजन हो रहे हैं हमारे।
Yeah, another key moment I think in BGT was 2003-4 where I think थोड़ा confidence आया था कि वहाँ जाके जीत सकते हैं. I think that drawn
Yeah.
series was the
Yeah.
first time where I think we thought we could win.
Why I said I think this is a similar conversation. So again, because the earliest memories is um Calcutta, my favorite city. Earliest memory is Eden Gardens. The unfortunate part is मेरे को जो अच्छे दिनों के टिकट्स नहीं थे, जो मैं क्रिकेट क्लब के लिए वहाँ खेल रहा था, तो हमें पहले 2 दिन के टिकट्स मिले। हम जाके वो स्टोन वाले बेंच पे बैठ गए और वो देख के लगा कि भैया क्या सीन है। वो स्टोन वाला बेंच बोल रहा, सीमेंट वाला जो बेंच होता था ईडन
हाँ.
गार्डन पे पुराने टाइम पे, आसान होता था जलाने के लिए।
सीट नहीं खराब होते.
हमको पसंद नहीं है, अब जला दो।
So we went and sat there, saw the match. We were like very clear कि भैया कुछ होने नहीं वाला है, चले गए। किसी ने फाइट भी नहीं मारा कि भैया अगले दिन जाएंगे
कि
मैच।
अगले दो दिन का भी मांग ले, टिकट कहीं से
क्या है
जुगाड़
कि
कर
मतलब
लेते हैं।
कोई कुछ तो कर ले। सर को पूछ लिया, कोच सर प्लीज एक और दिन का। बट फिर अगले दिन टीवी पे देखा, आई वाज लाइक ब्रो क्या हो गया हमारे साथ। एंड आई थिंक फॉर मी, while 2003, 2004, I'll never forget the square cut of Rahul Dravid. But in my in Adelaide to win the Test match and that cap. But for me, it was all the stories and the legendary stories I've heard about that Test match and the innings that Lakshman and Dravid played. Lakshman with a back spasm, Dravid with fever. Nothing talks more about grit and determination on making things happen. And Bhaji's hat trick. So I think overall the comeback The conversation of the Royal Bengal tiger, Calcutta was buzzing. Even if you wanted to just walk down the street 50 meters and not hear about this conversation, it was very very difficult at that point of time. I think that was my that is what I think. उस टाइम अगर मुझे टैटू का कॉन्सेप्ट पता होता, मैं उस दिन करा लेता.
अभी पता है
That's
आपको वैसे
नहीं,
मतलब
अभी अब मुझे टैटू से थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, बट उस टाइम नहीं लगता था. मैं करा लेता अगर कॉन्सेप्ट पता होता तो. बट या दैट्स व्हाट बीजीटी इज फॉर श्योर.
Sudeep, we'll start the next one with you, keeping in mind
या
we took a lot of conversation that you would have wanted to speak in the last section.
Sorry.
Are there any interesting moment, funny, crazy BGT moment that you sort of remember very clearly?
यार फनी तो नहीं बोलूंगा. आई थिंक द फनीस्ट पर्सन इन बीजीटी वाज स्टीव बकनर, एंड आई विल टेक हिज नेम. ही यूज्ड टू क्रिएट फन मोमेंट्स. बिकॉज आज अगर जाके यूट्यूब पे आप सर्च करो बीजीटी अनफॉर्चुनेट मोमेंट्स, अ लॉट ऑफ मोमेंट्स विल हैव बकनर इन इट. दैट्स अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. आई थिंक funny part. I think what I'll never forget about BGT is that bowl that Jason Gillespie bowled, bounced. Sachin Tendulkar was trying to leave, hit the pad. That facial expression of Sachin Tendulkar I've never seen ever in my life when he was given out. Okay, I think that is one of the most weirdest thing I remember about BGT.
You know, it might not be a bad content idea for some of the production houses and OTTs just to get Steve Buckner to interact with then
Sachin.
Indian cricket squad, get Bajupa, all of these guys in a room and just sort of the like. Yeah, for prepping for this episode, I was seeing some of the again 2007-8 wala Ishan Sharma was like matchstick bro. मतलब
Ins-
कैसे मतलब वो
I,
जितना उस परेशान हुआ है बट it might be just an interesting content piece to look at Indian squad and Steve Buckner having a
like
conversation.
talking about Ishant, right? What is that spell to Ricky Ponting, boss? I still think one of the best spells bowled ever.
Mohali.
And no.
Mohali. हाँ, वो तो था ही.
Bris-
Yeah,
Adelaide or Brisbane, I'm not so sure.
yeah, yeah.
But that but in all of this conversation, how do you forget the Monkey Gate scandal here? So that there was Slapgate and there was Monkey Gate, and I think that was I don't know if you guys have seen this not documentary again. I'm a huge YouTube consumer.
Yeah, but
But
if I have to search for Sachin Ganguly Bond,
yeah,
we
yeah,
know
yeah.
you're
Yeah.
good at YouTube search. Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
yes. So, in that, you have to go and watch the press conference clip when Harbhajan and Andrew Simons both came in separately, what the media was doing outside and the kind of pressure and environment it was. I think it was insane, unseen, and for a touring team to take the badgering that they did. Okay, who is right, who is wrong, we are and no one to judge. I will not get into it because nothing is out there officially. But the fact is, the kind of pressure that was exerted by Australian media and for India to play how they played in that series, hats off. Brilliant. So,
झुकेगा नहीं.
yeah.
Yeah, I think being an engineer, I'm really thankful to that one engineer who created stump mics. The kind of conversation that come out of those stump mic these days is interesting. And again, it goes back to the conversation saying, Keith, imagine these stump mics being as good in those kind of series when we were getting badgered verbally by pitch, by crowd, and everyone. But if it was there, but
Crazy.
most recent one has to feature certain Mr. Rishabh Pant
Yeah.
by calling Tim Payne as temporary captain. ये क्या होता है? Who calls, who makes temporary captain? And then sort of Tim Payne sort of saying, "Can you be a babysitter when me and my wife want to go out?" And sort of while, and then came the most expensive babysitter conversation and everything. But
Yeah, yeah.
I think I'm gonna, when this BGT of this year sort of gets over, I would look forward to some of those mic conversation that have been created. But
You can
yeah,
babysit, you
Ron,
can host me
you
for
have anything to
S6.
add to it?
नहीं यार, आई थिंक यू कवर्ड इट ऑल. मेरे को somehow अर्ली बीजीटीज में आर सम ऑफ द ओपनर्स वी यूज्ड टू सेंड, उनके लिए बुरा भी लगता था और काफी फनी क्लिप्स निकलते थे यार उसमें से.
Was
वो
Sadagopan Ramesh one of them?
सदगोपन रमेश, देवांग गांधी, आकाश चोपड़ा, MS के प्रसाद, आई डोंट नो.
Bro,
Oh, no.
uh, I was saying again, 2007-8 ka highlights. This is how the opening scene when the batsman used to be coming and you बड़े से screen में ना उनका introduction. Wasim Jafar.
Yeah.
Like the bat.
Like bro, मतलब
Oh, God.
feels तो वहीं से शुरू करनी है हमें.
अरे देवांग गांधी और सदगोपन रमेश या देवांग गांधी और MS के प्रसाद, ये लोग आते थे. दे वर जस्ट शील्डिंग ऑफ आर 3 4 5 6 के वो पहले 2 ओवर में ना आए. बस ये काम था.
Dude, you know, moment से मेरे को एक suddenly एक moment याद आया. I don't know how many of you remember VVS Lakshman yelling at Pragyan Ojha when they had to win the match.
Oh,
जब white पे वो run
सुरेश
देता था.
रैना.
I don't remember. I don't. Oh, Suresh Raina was the runner. Oh,
सुरेश
dude,
रैना ने
I've
2
never
रन भाग
seen.
लिए थे भाई.
I've never seen VVS Lakshman so angry raising the bat ball. That was epic. I think one of the best clashes. So yeah,
Perpetual
suddenly मेरे को
enthusiasm from Suresh Raina.
correct.
अरे नहीं, वो
Sonu
वाला
was
रन
running
था
hard.
बट.
Oh, but yeah.
Rohan, will start with you on this one. Your favorite BGT win or series or moment, or I think more win. Let's look at one test match.
यार one test match is
So we will come to you. I will we'll let you throw it. I'm going to restrict Rohan to talk about that test match because it has to be only Sudeep Subhash who's going to be talk about it. Rohan, yeah, sorry.
yeah, I think favorite test match might be 2003 Adelaide. I think because I don't think we were winning that much outside India. Plus, I think Dravid was one of my most favorite cricketers. He's scoring, I think it was 233 or 234 in the first inning. Then I think 70, 80, 72 again in the second inning, not out to. And 234 चेज आई अभी फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में भी नहीं बन रहे हैं टीम्स के. चेजिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ अ टोटल इज ह्यूज, दैट टू आउटसाइड. सो आई थिंक, और वो काफी कंफर्टेबली हमने, आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, फॉर 4 या फॉर 5 वी चेज्ड इट. हाँ. So I think Adelaide would be one of the special ones.
Yes, Sudeep, surprise us.
You guys will be very surprised with this. Okay,
Yeah, we are
I'm
ready
torn
to be
between.
ready for our mind to be blown.
I'm very torn between three test matches. Okay, so we can choose to discuss, or you guys can actually vote. Which one do you guys think? Okay, so you're
I'm
voting
ready to
again.
vote.
Yeah,
Okay, so for me,
Both of us are ready to vote.
I will vote for your choice.
yes, I'm very confused. See, I think Eden Test match was a landmark in so many senses. Okay, it gave us superstars. It gave Australia the fear of Lakshman, who the guy he was. Okay, we got Bhaju as a superstar. The next Test match that I'm very fond of is the SCG Test match where Vihari and Ashwin drew it. Never ever in my wildest dream I ever thought
Yeah.
कि वो हो पाएगा. Okay, last but not the least is टूटा है गावा का घमंड. Okay, but having said that, my heart says because we had a good start, Shubman made 91, etc., etc. पुज्जी भाई ने मार वार खाए बॉडी पे. ठीक है.
Yeah,
I
Pujara
still
against
think
the world.
Pujara against the world. I still think I will rate SCG as the best test match for me. The Ashwin Vihari partnership, I genuinely feel was a was I was in a country where I couldn't watch the match, so the only place I was watching it was in Crickbuzz, following the score, following ball by ball, but it was insane, boss. Never thought. Hats off. अब बिहारी जिंदगी में
That
खेलने आए या ना आए, but
बिहारी ने
so
अपने करियर का सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया था भाई उस मैच में.
so Srijan and Rohan, surprise, surprise.
Yeah, keep Rohan and me aside. Varun will be extremely happy that you have said Gawa Ka Gavan. He said it won't be complete without Sudeep bringing it back again for the 732nd time. But yeah, he's brought it back.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the same 2007-8 Test series, the third Test match. Getting battered at Melbourne, at Sydney, again horrible umpiring and all of those things happening, everything happening against us. Winning the third Test match at Waka was huge.
Yeah.
It sort of made sense. It sort of made it something that did not make sense right now. Irfan Pathan was coming one down for the Test match, but yeah, that's how it was happening. But there's been common tonality across all of our India Australia conversation, which is fight back. And I think that Test match felt like that we are there. Fine, we might end up losing the series, but we are not going to just bow down and say कि यार जो करना है कर लो type वाला scene.
Yeah.
The fun part of the podcast, the funnier or funniest, because this has been actually a good one. If 10 years down the line, um, Alan Borders and Sunil Gavaskar decide that it's time we sort of rename the test series, what do you think that moment the test series might be called? Not 10 year, might actually be a very long time, 5 years down the line.
In 10 years, it should be called the Tendulkar McGrath Vaughan Test Series because it took two bowlers to take that one man down. So, yeah, it can't be. It can't be only Tendulkar McGrath or Tendulkar Vaughan. It is going to be Tendulkar McGrath
So,
Vaughan.
so we'll make sure that there's a chapter in Australian schools where kids are taught about this. That दो लोग चाहिए थे सचिन को झुकाने के लिए, but
Exactly.
okay, that's on Sudeep Rohan.
Yeah, I had two people from each side, but I think Sachin and War might win it. I think for the next nomenclature, Bada Bhai War.
Okay.
बड़ा भाई वो.
So it was between Sachin and Dravid and between Ponting and War. So I think
Yeah.
I think Sachin War. और थोड़ा SWT अच्छा लगेगा सुनने में SWT.
Oh, nice.
I have chosen two random names because that's what was expected.
Shardul.
The first one is yeah, might as well call it the Lord Trophy or something like that. The first one is Pain in the Pant Trophy. And the second one, and I genuinely hope they actually make it happen, is Ashwin Lion Trophy.
Nice.
So, but yeah, that's where it is. Okay, on that note, guys, that's all for this episode. Over and out.